One woman moves and explores the space she is in. She has brown skin and long, dark brown braids falling down her back, wearing a peach backless dress made of tulle with skin-colored point shoes on her feet. She begins in an enclosed place full of mirrors, darkness surrounding her except where bright lights stand on each corner. Her brown skin breathes slowly up and down. Tangled limbs and sheer peach tulle floats along a moving leg. Somehow, you know me. Her face appears as she slowly rises. Through the noise and the chaos, you know me. Dark brown braids fall across your vision. Not through the things that are said, and there are many things said, but through some invisible material which connects us to each other. It has always connected us. Limbs entwine and her head lays peacefully. Face covered by sheer tulle. Somehow, you see me. Her body unfolds to standing, arms wrapped tightly around her torso. Through the haze and the mass of others, you see me. She rocks side to side with a wide stance, stops and gazes at her reflection. Not through the time we spend together. Her hand brushes her cheek, and there is much time spent, but through some invisible material which connects us to each other. It has always connected us. Encased by a square of large mirrors, her reflection is seen in every one of them. The mirrors open into a crescent shape. She spins in front of bright lights, then stops and gazes at her reflection. Somehow, she drops to the floor, rolls over her shoulder, and stops in a crouched position. Through the difference, there's familiarity. Somehow your existence has made up for all the times I've felt too much, because somehow, more than any other, you are one. Her arms wrap around her body, hands brushing bare skin. She looks intently at her reflection in the mirror, but the reflection is blurred. She lowers her head into her chest, bright light shining. And I love you.